Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply download and install Klarna on your mobile device. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. So first things first, what you want to do is simply go ahead and open your app store right over here. And on the search bar, simply go ahead and search for Klarna, just like that. And once you've done that, simply click on this application, click on the Get tab right over here, and then verify yourself right over here. Once you've done that, it's going to start downloading and installing onto your mobile device. Once it is downloaded and installed, then you can simply go ahead and click on open. So let's just wait for it in order to download real quick. Once it is downloaded and installed, all you need to do is simply tap on the open button, and there you go. Now you can start allowing everything and then simply logging in into your account. And that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next.